Hello there viewers, welcome to my channel. On this channel today we want to learn what you are seeing on the screen, an Ankara Zara cap. That is what we want to learn today. If you are ready and you want to learn it, click and follow us. So we have our marco, we have our tape rule, we have our scissors, we have our thread, then the fabric that we want to use in doing the Zara cap. So let's get started. First of all, you take your measurement. The measurement of the marco is 19 long length and 3 inches width. That is wideness. Then the Ankara we want to use, we are going to take the measurement right away. The Ankara we take 28 length, 28 length as you can see on our screen, and the width we take 16 length. So this is our thread that we're going to use in sewing the Zara cap. So you will now get the middle. Hope you are following us. Get the middle of your Ankara. Can you see it? Here, sorry, we want to cut out our bow. The bow we want to use at the back of the Zara cap. This is what we are taking the measurement. We took the measurement to 11 inches length and 8 inches wide. So it's okay by us. That is what we want to use today on this tutorial today. So as you can see, please click on our subscribe button, follow us, click on the notification button too, so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Please watch very well, try it, learn it very well. So after getting you get the middle of the fabric. So that is what we are doing. You get the middle, you can notch it, you can mark it with your chalk so that you get a perfect middle. So after which you now open it up and place your marco on the middle too. Get the middle of the marco too and you place it. This is what we are doing. We have gotten the middle of the marco, place it on the fabric and secure it with your pin. Get the middle, make sure the middle align together. That's what we are doing. Please subscribe to our channel. Watch the video to the end, press the notification button, like our channel and subscribe to our channel. As you watch us, get notified whenever we place another new video. So you now secure it with pin. As you can see, we are securing our marco and our fabric together for sewing. We are doing this so that we will not have any shifts when we are sewing. That is why we are pinning it down. So always pin your work so you get a perfect sewing, a perfect look. So pin it down, pin your work. See, as we are pinning our own, we want to get a perfect sewing so that when we get to the machine it will not be shifting. That's how we are pinning. So we have pinned everything down and now set it aside. So right now you pin it very well. We are still pinning. Please subscribe to our channel. Please press the notification button as you are watching now. Press the notification button, subscribe and like our video. So we have pinned it down. Well, the bow is what we are showing you right now. This is the bow. We show you the cutting, the measurement for the cutting. So you take it to the sewing machine too, you sew it round. You can see it for half inch or quarter inch, it's okay. You sew it together. So we want to show you before we get to our machine to sew. So we are going to our machine now to sew. Get to your machine, sew it very well. See, we are sewing right away. You sew it, you sew the place down. So we are sewing it now. So after sewing, come back. We are back to the table already. We are back. As you can see, we want to turn it. We don't want to see any sewing outside. We don't want to see the sewing outside, so we'll turn it to get the sewing inside. The sewing must not show anywhere. We don't want the thread to show anywhere. So you turn it up, you turn the sewing in. Make sure your sewing is inside. That's what we are doing. We are turning it to get a very clean and perfect work. That's what we are doing. Please press the button, the notification button. Press the subscribe button. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel to learn more. To learn more, follow us. See, we have turned it up. You can see there is no sewing. So you set it aside. Then you see it. So right now you secure it together and get the measurement of your head. The circumference, the hair circumference, you measure it so that you take it to the sewing machine and sew. So we are securing it with pin, with our pin, to get the circumference. So we measure the circumference. That's what we are doing right now. Measure the circumference of your head. Mark it. You can mark it with your tailoring chalk. Mark it round. Mark it round. That's what we are doing. Sorry, the camera did not catch it very well. The camera did not picture it well. So we are done. So you now open up your bow that you have sewn round. That's what we are doing. We are opening up our bow already. See, we have opened one up. Look at how it looks. The second one is what we are opening. You open it, you turn it up, you turn it up, you turn the back side in, turn the other side in to get the good side out. The good side is what we need. So that is what we are doing. That is what we are doing. Can you see? See how perfect. See how fine the fabric is looking. It's looking fine already. So you place it. We are just showing you how we are going to make the bow. You set it aside. We are going to our machine now to sew the zara cap around. Right now, see, we have sewn it round. We have sewn it round. You can see we cut all the thread that will show so that you get your perfect work. Then after that, we are now going to use our needle and our thread to secure the sewing. We make a basket stitches. That is what we want to do. You now start from the back to the front. As you can see. Sorry, the camera was not able to picture everything. We are very sorry for this. Just manage it. Manage it for now. So you secure it, you make a basket sewing. We'll still show you the basket sewing tutorial later. So you make a basket sewing. That's what we are doing right now, as you can see. We are making a basket sewing. So after that, you secure it very well. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it's secured so that it will not loose. It will not fall out. You secure it very well. You tighten it very well. That's what we are doing. Can you see it? Please subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button. Like our channel. Make a comment. If you like our video, please indicate by pressing the like button and subscribe to our button. See, the zara cap is ready. It's getting set. It's getting set. It's getting set. So we have done it. We have secured this thing. Look at the zara. Look at how it's looking. So right now we want to do our bow. We want to create our bow, to put it, to place it there. So I'm just checking where it will fit. So look at how precious and fine our bow is looking already. So you now take your needle and thread and you create your bow. We are now creating our bow with our needle and thread. Look at how we are creating our bow. We are creating our bow very fine. It's looking fine. It's looking fine. It's looking fine. It's looking fine. We are creating our bow already. Look at it. Look at how fine our bow is looking. Then you now place it. We are now placing our bow at the back. We are very sorry for the way our camera was. Our camera was not picturing everything. Please, we'll get you a better video. So it's just secure. We are just tacking it to the cap. We are tacking our boat to the cap, and our camera went sideways. Sorry. Please bear with us. Sorry, you are going to see the end point of this Zara cap, and it will come out very lovely, very sweet. You will like it. It will be something that you rock to church, you rock to party. You can wear it. You can make your own. Make it for customer. Make it for your clients. Can you see? We will come up very soon with it. It's very lovely. It's very lovely. It's very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. See, we are almost done. We are done. So we are securing the stitches now. We want to make it very tight. To secure the stitches right now. That's what we are doing. We will now cut it out. See, the Zara cap is ready. It's ready for use. It's ready. It's ready. Can rock it to church. Can rock it to party. You can rock it anywhere. Very simple. Very lovely to wear. Please, if you like our video, subscribe to our